The future of air warfare may not be decided by fighter aircraft alone. Increasingly, the militaries around the world are investing in autonomous drones, loyal wingman systems, and AI-driven swarm warfare designed to overwhelm enemy air defenses before the manned aircraft can even enter the combat zones. The idea is simple: send expendable unmanned systems first, saturate enemy radar and missile networks, confuse enemy air defenses, and reduce risk of own pilot and high-value fighter aircrafts in enemy airspace. And now, India is developing its own version of that future battlefield concept. Under HAL's Combat Air Teaming System, or the CATS program, the Alpha S Swarm Pod is emerging as a major part of India's next-generation unmanned warfare strategy.
The rise of swarms. The modern air warfare is changing rapidly. For decades, air superiority depended largely on fighter aircrafts, missiles, and electronic warfare systems. But today, a new concept is reshaping combat doctrine, that is, the swarm warfare. Instead of sending a single high-value platform into heavily defended aerospace, militaries are now developing large number of low-cost autonomous drones capable of attacking simultaneously from multiple directions. The objective, it is destruction by saturation. Inside the Alpha's concept, India's latest step into this evolving battlefield concept comes from HAL's Combat Air Teaming System program, better known as CATS. One of the most important elements within this architecture is Alpha S Swarm Drone System. The concept involves a fighter aircraft carrying a pod loaded with multiple loitering munitions. Once launched near hostile airspace, the pod disperses a swarm of autonomous drones designed to hunt enemy radar systems, surface-to-air missile batteries, command vehicles, and air defense assets. The swarm saturation strategy. According to program details, a single Alpha S pod can deploy up to 24 loitering munitions in coordinated swarm attacks. Each drone is designed as a relatively low-cost expendable system carrying a precision warhead optimized for suppressing enemy air defenses during the opening phase of an air campaign. The larger goal is strategic: protect expensive manned fighters by pushing the highest risk missions on autonomous unmanned systems. The manned-unmanned teaming. The Alpha S concept is part of a broader manned-unmanned teaming architecture under development by HAL, DRDO, and private sector players like New Space Research and Technologies. Under this model, aircraft like the Su-30 MKI, Jaguar, Tejas, and future Indian fighters could eventually operate as motherships, controlling autonomous drones during combat missions. The drones themselves would rely increasingly on artificial intelligence and collaborative decision-making algorithms to identify, assign, and attack targets autonomously. The cost asymmetry advantage. One of the key advantages of swarm warfare is cost asymmetry. A modern fighter aircraft can cost hundreds of crores. Advanced missile interceptors are also extremely expensive. But drone swarms can force adversaries to expand large number of costly interceptor missiles against relatively cheaper unmanned systems. In effect, swarm warfare attempts to overwhelm defensive systems through numbers, coordination, and speed. And recent conflicts have demonstrated how disruptive low-cost drones can become deadly even against sophisticated military forces. The global swarm race. India is not alone in pursuing these technologies. The United States, China, Russia, Turkey, and several other European nations are heavily investing in loyal wingman drones, autonomous combat aircrafts, and AI-enabled swarm warfare concepts. The battlefield of the future is increasingly expected to involve teams of manned fighters operating alongside autonomous unmanned systems. And India wants to be part of that technological transition. India's next generation warfare push, the Alpha S program, also reflects a larger shift within India's defense ecosystem. For decades, India focused mainly on licensed production and conventional military platforms. But today, India is increasingly investing in disruptive technologies, autonomous systems, AI-enabled warfare, hypersonics, cyber capability, and next-generation combat networking. The CATS program itself includes multiple futuristic systems including the CATS Warrior Loyal Wingman drone and AI-driven unmanned combat platforms designed for deep strike and reconnaissance missions. The future air battlefield. Challenges still remain. Swarm warfare depends heavily on secure communication networks, resilient AI systems, electronic warfare resistance, and real-time battlefield coordination. But the direction is becoming increasingly clear. Future air wars may not be fought only by pilots inside the cockpits. They may increasingly be fought by autonomous systems operating in coordinated swarms at machine speed. And India is now beginning to prepare for that future.
From laser weapons to autonomous drone swarms, India's defense ecosystem is increasingly shifting towards next-generation warfare technologies. Because the future battlefield may belong not only to the side with most fighters, but to the side with smartest machines.